And if you like the temperatures and the humidity that we had around this afternoon, you're going to like the next couple of days as well. What we're looking at there right now is a little bit of a cold front that came through. Pretty weak system, obviously, because it didn't have any rain with it, but it is going to lower those temperatures a tiny bit, and it's going to lower the humidity. In fact, it already did that, as I mentioned. Right now, nothing in our immediate area. You can see a little ground clutter right there, but out far western areas, a little bit actually even west of our western viewing areas, closer to Richmond, a little bit of a light shower should move sort of south-southeast tonight. But for us, it's right now just mainly clear, 75, calm winds. That front getting ready to go through, so rising pressures tonight down anywhere from around 62 inland to 68 at the beaches, mainly clear. I'm going to call that quite comfortable. Open up the windows because it will be, again, for this time of year, low humidity and very nice temperatures. You notice that little bit of a shower stays out closer to north central North Carolina tonight. And then tomorrow we rise up through the 70s. We end up tomorrow even a little bit below today. Now today we started out already mid-80s or low to mid-80s by like mid-morning with high humidity. Then the front came through, dropped the temperatures, dropped the humidity, and then the temperatures went back up, but the humidity didn't. So tomorrow we won't have to deal with that. We won't have that humidity around in the morning. We're going to have the lower temperatures, lower humidity, and that sticks around all day. Should be pleasantly warm is how I'm going to term it. And then tomorrow evening, very nice with a pleasant start again during the day. Saturday, notice this high just sort of meanders around right off our coastline. That's good news if you like the clear conditions, although eventually as it moves offshore, that means a southerly wind and a little more heat, a little bit more Saturday, definitely even a little bit more still on Sunday. And eventually we get a chance of a stray shower. You can notice everything well down to the south in terms of those rain chances, other than that one sprinkle over sort of central Virginia. Tonight then mainly clear, comfortable, 68, a little cooler inland. Tomorrow 82, so today we were 86. So about 4 degrees cooler and lower humidity, so should be very, very pleasant with lots of sunshine. Tomorrow night, 65, mainly clear in the evening and then partly cloudy overnight. Very comfortable once again. Saturday, just a lot like today. 84, humidity will come up a bit compared to tomorrow, but it'll still only be like it was for much of today, so not bad at all. Weekend getaways, well, Saturday's looking nice. Sunday, look at those hot temperatures. Charlottesville, Richmond, Washington, all 90 or more. 7-day forecast. By Sunday for Father's Day, 10% chance of a storm late in the day, 90. It'll feel even hotter, and then 93, 94 Monday, Tuesday will feel more like 100 when you factor in the humidity.
All right, thanks, Jeff.